Hello everyone, I'm Rose from Email Company. Today, I will show you how to do if your file content that is a file. First, we need to prepare a choice, a spanner. Because the replacement of all the accessory of all the students is specifying the sum. So then, we need to check the Zimun camper. The best way is to replace the Zim camper. Okay, we use a spanner to lose the screw like this. And here. Okay, if you replace the Zim camper and the fry still can't satisfy, maybe maybe the valve is broken, so we need to replace it. Okay, that's all of today's video. See you next time. Thank you for watching.